Hey everyone. So this is just going to be a quick overview. I'm going to post the links to each page on GitHub so that way you guys can just copy and paste it and speed this up a little bit. That way we're not having to deal with a bunch of like 20 and 30-minute videos. So I got rid of the margin on the top of the login and register page to try to help center it up a little bit better, make it look better. I fixed the button. Bootstrap 5 got rid of the button block class, and it went to you had to use like either a flexbox or a grid utility to make it span all the way across. And then on the login page, we now have a forgot password and resend token link. So, and it just brings up modals. So if someone forgot their password, they can put their email address in, and it'll send them an email to verify that they're the ones that legitimately did this. They click on it, it'll give them the option to reset their password and go from there. The same case with the resend token. If somebody goes to log in and they didn't get the email to verify their account, and they get the error message saying, "Hey, you're not verified," they can click on resend token, get a new verification token, and do it that way. Instead of creating, I love using modals on a lot of stuff like this, so instead of having to create a bunch of new pages and everything and create a bunch of get routes for unnecessary stuff, you can just create a modal real quick and you can just have fun with it. So here in the code editor, and like I said, I'm going to send links to all of this stuff. I'm just going to go over it real quick. On the login page there and the register page, there was a MT5 class. I got rid of that on both pages. And then the D grid and margin bottom 2, that's what spans that login button all the way across. And the same thing for the register. This is in a different container, and I'm using Flexbox and aligning and centering the buttons. And these are for the modals to trigger those. And then in the partials, there is a resend token and a forgot password token modal. And the form's in here, so you got one for forgot password, you've got one for resend token, and this will go ahead and lay the foundation for the front end, so we can go ahead and continue on and get started on the back end code so someone can reset their password and get a new token. So that's it. I'm going to post the links to each page in the description of this video. That way you guys can open up each page, create the file, and go ahead and get up and running. Thanks guys. See you in the next video.